Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this NIV personal size Bible with large print and also these Bible tabs. So let's first take a look at the Bible. It comes in a really nice box. Again, this looks really good. Back in the New Testament, the words are in red. I like that the print is nice and big, takes up the whole page. We do have a couple bookmarkers there inside that are built in. It just looks and feels really nice. Measurement wise, looks like it's right at under 9 inches. Left to right is about 5 3/4. Thickness wise, inch and a half thickness. Now, the tabs here, they come with this sheet that kind of helps you guide where you want the tabs, and they kind of explain. So you want them kind of like they're staggered so that you can see them real easy. Here's what the tags look like. Like, let's take a look for Luke here. Yep, you're gonna fold them over. You do get some extra ones here that you can write on yourself. So yeah, this looks like a really nice, these tabs look like they're gonna go really good with this Bible. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.